Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Nananawa na ho yung mga taong bayan. Alam nyo, ikaw Trillanes at ikaw Laila de Lima, the longer that you expose yourself into the media, you become just, a spit in the wind or a dust in the wind. Okay, dust in the wind. Ito kasi si Trillanes at ito si Laila de Lima, mga bossing. If you keep exposing yourself and you think maybe your handlers, your PR, maybe kung sino man yung inyong publicist, the more that you talk about Duterte, about attacking the administration's plan and everything na talagang naghahanap kayo ng oportunidad at puwang na pwede kayong bumira, nananawa ng tao sa inyo, hindi na kayo pinapansin. You become a boy who cried wolf. Sa bandang huli, wala nang maniniwala sa inyo.